To make Google Photos the default photo gallery on your iPhone, you will need to use a few workarounds since iOS does not allow third-party apps to become the default photo gallery. First, download and install the Google Photos app from the App Store if you have not already done so. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account to start using it. Next, to make Google Photos the primary location for your photos, you will need to enable the Google Photos app to access your iPhone's photos. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and select Google Photos from the list of apps. In the Google Photos settings, toggle on the switch next to Photos to enable the app to access your iPhone's photos. You will also see an option to turn on the Google Photos backup, which allows your photos to be automatically uploaded to Google Photos. To further integrate Google Photos with your iPhone, you can change the default camera upload location to Google Photos. To do this, open the Google Photos app, then tap on the profile picture or initial in the top right corner, and select Photos Settings. In the Photos settings, select Backup and Sync. Then under the Upload Size section, select the desired upload size for your photos and videos. You can also enable the option to automatically upload media from your iPhone's camera roll to Google Photos. While you cannot set Google Photos as the default photo gallery on your iPhone, you can use the above steps to make it the primary location for your photos and set it to automatically upload new photos and videos. This way, you can easily access your photos from the Google Photos app instead of the default Photos app on your iPhone.